Beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. To my 368 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. I do share cross-like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, DIY, how to have, beautiful skin without any toxic ingredients. And I'm so passionate, about growing our crowns, which our God gave us. So we need to love it, embrace it, and style it. So whatever state your hair is in, it's so beautiful. You just need to embrace it and love it. Yes, so if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. Yes, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that every time we upload, you'll be notified. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how to make Neem Moringa powerful hairspray for hair growth. If you have itchy scalp, you're struggling with dandruff, you're struggling with head lice, this mist is going to do it for you, and it's going to strengthen your hair like you to promote hair growth. So it has many vitamins and nutrients which can boost hair growth. Yeah, so make sure that you watch this video until to the end. If you want to see how we made this, then make sure that you watch this video until to the end, and make sure that you share our videos and comment in the section below if you have tried out moringa, neem hair mist or hair moisturizer for hair growth. So you can use this mist actually in between washes, even to as a leave-in. Yes, you can try it as a leave-in. It works very well. Or you can try it as a rinse out, or just moisturizing your hair in between washes. So of course, like I'm in a protective hairstyle, I do low manipulation hairstyles which do not wreak havoc on our edges. So like I'm going to just spray it liberally throughout my hair without touching my hair. So these are the two products that we're going to use. We are going to use neem 30 grams and moringa 30 grams as well. Yes, so moringa is loaded with nutrients such as vitamin A, B, C, and 6 iron, zinc, and essential amino acids, which are valuable to the hair. This herb is rich in chlorophyll, complete amino acids, and antioxidants, all of which are responsible for nourishing your hair. So the vitamin A support hair growth. Vitamin A plays a vital role in the development of healthy cells and tissues in the body in reducing hair loss. So moringa helps moisturizes your hair and keep off dandruff. Vitamin A also stimulate the production of sebum from sebaceous glands. Sebum moisturizes the scalp and help keep hair healthy. Vitamin B keeps in creating, it creates red blood cells which carry oxygen and nutrients to the scalp and hair follicles to grow strong, healthy hair. So hair loss can occur if you have vitamin B deficiency, especially vitamin B6, inositol, biotin, and folic acid. Moringa prevents hair loss. Moringa is one of the top vegetable source of iron, makes it suitable for natural hair growth. So the zinc present in moringa promotes healthy hair follicles. The zinc, which stimulates hair growth. Both zinc and vitamins protect hair from drying and clogging of sebaceous glands, which are responsible for sebum production. Low levels of zinc has been linked to hair loss and even hair to hair growth, to poor hair growth, and even hair loss. So moringa is rich in amino acids, the building blocks of all body cells. So neem treats dandruff and itchy scalp. Struggling with dandruff and nothing seems to work, then you can trust neem leaves. So neem leaves are good for dandruff, for a free money and a healthy scalp. They possess bacterial and fungal properties that help remove dandruff once and for all. They reduce dryness and helps to leave your scalp moisturized. So neem also promotes hair growth. One of the many benefits of neem leaves include strengthening hair follicles and simultaneously reducing hair fall. This results in luscious, strong, and healthy hair. So regular application of this hair growth mist will actually give your hair look voluminous without extra effort. So they improve and the texture and keep woes of hair like thinning, breakage, and hair loss at bay. So it will also prevent premature graying. If you are spotting grays prematurely, neem leaves can help. The high levels of antioxidants in neem leaves prevents premature graying of hair caused due to hormonal imbalance, sun damage, and stress. So this hairspray actually will also hydrate dry ends, rough and dry ends. So neem leaves benefit your hair a great deal, hydrating dry strands and improving the healthy hair and frizz, and contribute to stimulated growth and make your money look like unkept and shabby. So neem leaves will actually, prevent all the damage and make it a healthy look and visibly soft. So neem is effective in getting rid of lice and head lice as well. So of course, like you have to make sure that you strain your hair mist. If you have any residues in it, you can use a cheesecloth. So I had to get this special strainer, which I really love. I got it off on Amazon. So that is the residue which remained after using a strainer. So our neem and moringa powerful hairspray is ready. That is how it looks like. Subscribe to our channel for more and comment in the section below. So we are going to transfer it in our spray bottle. A spray bottle actually is very convenient, when spraying it throughout your hair strands, or even, spraying it in between washes, or to use it as a leave-in conditioner. So comment in the section below, dear friends, if you're going to try out this powerful mist. So that is how it looks like. Yes, and if you're going to try out, comment in the section below. I love interacting, and I really appreciate you guys, for commenting those beautiful comments. Keep them coming, and share our videos to groups and friends who you think can benefit from this video. So that is how it looks like. Give this video a like, yes, thumbs up. Yes, I'm super excited. And you know what, like dry herbs are very good because you won't need any, there will be no microbials like in fresh herbs. Yes, but of course you can preserve this hair mist. That is the reason why, like, I didn't preserve it, because I've run out of preservative. So I made a small batch, as you can see. So I'm going to store it in the fridge and it will last for 1 week or more. So at this point, we are going to spray it throughout our hair strands. Of course, I'm in a protective hairstyle. If you've been on this challenge, like I'm in a 6-month twist protective hairstyle. So of course I changed the spray because it wasn't spraying. So I changed and now it's spraying. So you can use this mist twice per week or once a week, depending on your preference. Yes, this will actually, moisturize your hair and prevent breakage, and it will stimulate growth. It will actually kill head lice, and eggs, and it will also like strengthen your hair and make your hair look voluminous and luscious. Yes, so you don't have like to drench your hair. So we are just spraying like not very much, friends. So are you going to try out this hairspray? Comment in the section below. So now, like, my hair looks frizzy, so now we are going to seal in the moisture with moringa oil. I'll link the video in the description box below. Like, I've done quite a number of oils, and hair mist. I'm going to link them in the description box below. So like just a sizable amount, and then we are going to apply it on the edges. And you can comment in the section below if you have tried out neem oil or moringa oil. I'm going to link all the videos in the description box below, and make sure that you check them out. Yes, so at this point, friends, like I'm super excited because we are done, and that is how much is left. So thank you so much for watching, and best to see you in our next video.